வெல்கம் டு D2G அகாடமி. இன்னைக்கு இந்த சேனல் நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்னா 10th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் செகண்ட் மீட்டம் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கொஸ்டின் தான் பார்க்க போறோம். First question, if A equal to matrix of 5 2 2 minus root 17 0.7 5 by 2 8 3 1, then find A transpose of transpose. Second question, if A equal to cos square theta 0 0 cos square theta and B equal to sin square theta 0 0 sin square theta, then show that A plus B equal to I2. Third question, state Siva's theorem. Fourth, from the top of a building 12-meter high, the angle of depression of a car on the ground is observed to be 30 degree. Find the distance of a car from the building. Fifth, a kite is flying at a height of 75 meter above the ground. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degree. Find the length of the string assuming that there is no slack in the string. Sixth question, a garden roller whose length is 3 meter long and whose diameter is 2.8 meter is rolled to level a garden. How much area will it cover in 8 value sheet? Seventh question, if the ratio of radii of two sphere is 4:7, find the ratio of their values. Eighth, determine the nature of root for the quadratic equation 9a square b square x square minus 24abc dx plus 16c square d square equal to 0. A not equal to 0, b not equal to 0. Ninth question, construct a 3 into 3 matrix whose elements are given by A of ij equal to modulus of I minus 2j. 10th, the ratio of the volume of two cones is 2:3. Find the ratio of the radii if the height of the second cone is double the height of the first. 11th, find the volume of the iron used to make a hollow cylinder of height 9 cm and whose internal and external radii are 21 cm and 28 cm respectively. 12th, the outer and the inner surface areas of spherical copper shell are 576 pi cm square respectively. Find the volume of the material required to make the shell. 13. Solve for xy. X squared y squared plus 2 minus 2x of y equal to 5. Determine the nature of roots for the quadratic equation 2x squared minus 2x plus 9 equal to 0. 15th question. If radii of two concentric circles are 4 cm and 5 cm, then find the length of the chord of one circle which is a tangent to the other circle. 16th question, find the angle elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the roof foot of a tower of height 10 root 3 meter. 17th, find the volume of a cylinder whose height is 2 meter and whose base area is 250 meter squared. 18th question, the volume of two cones of same base radius are 3600 centimeter cube and 5400 centimeter cube. Find the ratio of height. 19th, the slant height of frustum of a cone is 5 cm and the radii of its ends are 4 cm and 1 cm. Find its curved surface area. 20th, if A equal to matrix of 0 4 9 8 3 7 and B equal to matrix of 7 3 8 1 4 9, find the value of 3A minus 9B. 21. A player sitting on the top of a tower of height 20 meter observe the angle of the depression of a ball lying on the ground at 16 degree. Find the distance between the root of the tower and the ball. Root 3 equal to 1.732. 22. The curved surface area of a right circular cylinder of height 14 cm is 80 cm squared. Find the diameter of a cylinder. 23. A man goes 18 meter due east and the 24 meter due north. Find the distance of his current position from the starting point. Total 23 2 marks irukku. Next 5 marks. First question, if alpha and beta are the root of the polynomial f of x equal to x square minus 2x plus 3, find the polynomial whose roots are alpha minus 1 divided by alpha plus 1 and beta minus 1 divided by beta plus 1. Second question, if A equal to matrix of 5 2 9 1 2 8, B equal to matrix of 1 7 1 2 5 minus 1. Verify that AB transpose the whole transpose equal to B transpose A transpose. Third question, state and Pythagoras theorem. Fourth question, from the point on a bridge across a river, the angles of depression of the banks on opposite side at the river are 30 degree and 45 degree respectively. If the bridge is at a height at 3 meter from the banks, find the width at the river. Fifth question, the horizontal distance to building is 140 meter. The angle of depression of the top of the first building when seen from the top of the second building is 30 degree. If the height of the first building is 60 meter, find the height of the second building. Root 3 equal to 1.732. Sixth question, the volume of a cone is 1005 of 5 by 7 cube centimeter. The area of its base is 201 of 1 by 7 square centimeter. Find the slant height of the cone. Seventh, a right circular cylindrical container of a base radius 6 centimeter and a height 15 centimeter is full of ice cream. The ice cream is to be filled in cone of height 9 centimeter and a base radius 3 centimeter. Having a hemispherical cap, find the number of cones needed to empty to the container. Eighth question, the radius of the circular end of the frustum which is 45 cm high or 28 cm and 7 cm, find the volume of the frustum. Ninth, a solid consisting of a right circular cone of height 12 cm and radius 6 cm standing on a hemisphere of radius 6 cm is placed upright in a right circular cylinder full of water such that it touches the bottom. Find the volume of the water displaced out the cylinder. The radius of the cylinder is 6 cm and height 18 cm. 10th question, A equal to matrix of 1 1 minus 1 of 3. B equal to matrix of 1 2 minus 4 2 of 1 1 minus 1 of 3. And C equal to matrix of minus 7 6 3 2. Verify that A of B plus C equal to AB plus AC. 11th, from the top of a tree of height 13 meter, the angle of elevation and depression of the top and bottom of another tree 45 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the height of the second tree. 12th, from the top of a lighthouse, the angle of depression of two ships on the opposite side of it are observed to be 30 degree and 60 degree. If the height of the lighthouse is h meters and the line joining the ships passes through the foot of the lighthouse, show that the distance between the ship is 4 hours divided by root 3 meter. 13. If A equal to matrix of 3 1 minus 1 2, then show that A square minus 5A plus 7 I2 equal to 0. 14th question, show that in a triangle the medians and concurrent. 15th question, the perpendicular PS on the base QR of a triangle PQR intersect QR at S such that QS equal to 3 SR. Prove that 2PQ squared equal to 2PR squared plus QR squared. 16th question, a capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to each of its end if the length of the entire capsule is 12 mm and the diameter of the capsule is 3 mm. How much medicine it can hold? 17th question, a pole 5 meter high is fixed on the top of a tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the pole observed from a point A on the ground is 60 degree and the angle of depression to the point A from the top of the tower is 45 degree. Find the height of the tower. 18th question, from the top of the tower 60 meter high and the angles of depression of the top and bottom of a vertical lamp are observed to be 38 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the lamp. Post tan 38 degree equal to 0.7813. Ninth question, if the root of the equation c square minus ab the whole x square minus 2 of a square minus bc the x plus b square minus ac equal to 0 or real and equal, prove that either a equal to 0 or a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. 20th question, PQ is a chord of length 8 cm to a circle of radius 5 cm. The tangent at P and Q intersect at the point T. Find the length of the tangent TP. 21. A vessel is in the form of hemispherical bowl mounted by a hollow cylinder. The diameter is 14 cm and the height of the vessel is 13 cm. Find the capacity of the vessel. 22. Find x and y. If x plus y equal to matrix of 7 0 3 5 and x minus y equal to 3 0 0 4. 23. If A equal to matrix of 1 2 1 2 minus 1 1 and B equal to 2 minus 1 minus 1 4 0 2. Verify that AB the whole transpose equal to B transpose A transpose. 24. A metallic sheet in the form of a sector of a circle of radius 24 cm has center angle 216 degree. The sector is made ready together. Find the volume of cone formed. 25th, two ships are sailing in the sea on either side of lighthouse. The angle of elevation of the top of the lighthouse has observed from the ship are 30 degree and 45 degree respectively. If the lighthouse is 300 meter high, find the distance between two ships. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்துச்சுன்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க and கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க. Thanks for watching.